This is going to be a little bit different of a video. What is up, everyone? How is everybody doing? Welcome to the channel. I actually have a special innovation that I am trying to put together for the 6-7. I feel like it'll be something that I can not only be used for my benefit, but I might be able to make this part for the public. You know, I've done my searching on YouTube, on the rest of YouTube and the Google and everywhere, and I have yet to see a 4th gen Cummins pickup, or any Cummins pickup for that matter, have anything of this nature in it or done to it. So I feel like it might be a bit of an innovation. I hope it is something that it will work. Right now I'm in the R&D process. I'm trying to make the prototype of this. I was planning to just make you guys sit through an unboxing and then go to the part, but you know, screw it. That's the way any other people do it. I'm just going to show you the part that's really cool right now. So this is the upcoming project, I should say development. This is a sequential shifter. Basically it's going to be wired up, so it's taking this mechanical leverage and turning it into an electronic signal to my electronically controlled automatic transmission. The thing is, this, I have not seen anyone put a sequential shift in a Cummins pickup on the internet. Although it is not a sequential transmission, I feel like there is more benefit running an automatic, an electronically controlled automatic transmission behind this, with this shifter, because with a sequential transmission you're sitting here and you have to have a clutch to start out. I mean, you'll start in neutral, you have to push the clutch in and then shift into first and then let the clutch out, and then you can just bang through gears without using, you don't necessarily have to use the clutch if you don't want to. If you slow down, you have to manually downshift to match the speed you're at. Whereas an automatic, you have your overdrive gear. So if you're driving down, let's say you start from a dead stop, you know, you're in first, so you go from first, you click back, you're second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, get up to 6, and then, oh, your turn's coming up, so you slow down, you turn the corner. What happens? Well, you can not shift, leave it at 6, and it operates just like you're in drive, nothing different really. But if, let's say you want to downshift after the corner again, to get back to that gear that matches the speed you're currently at. Well, 6th gear doesn't match 30 miles an hour. So basically it'll be one click and you'll go from 6th to 3rd, and it's just that simple, that easy. Having an automatic transmission with the sequential shift to manually shift the gears is going to be kind of a pivotal behind drivability. This, I feel, kind of gives you more convenience. The thing that I feel is going to make this even better is this mechanism is going to be plug and play. So for the prototype, basically all we're doing is we're bypassing this little button, and it'll be going straight to the mechanism. Hopefully in the future I'll see if I can get away with doing it, but I want to make it plug and play, but also you have the ability, if you know, it'll be more of pigtailed in, let's say. So if it doesn't take away the operability, that's not even a word, It won't take away this being operable. You'll still be able to use this if you want to manually shift. That's what I hope to do in the future, but for right now I think the prototype, I'm just going to bypass this little button. That is the big unveil for the video. As far as making something for public use, I'm not there yet. Like I said, this is a prototype. Once I get this working, test it out, make sure there's no bugs in it, I will actually, I think I'll take orders on some of it, see if this does work, and if it does, I hope to make it very convenient and open to the public to purchase. But anyways, I am going to sign off. At this point, I have nothing left for you guys. I gotta get back to my research and do some more soldering and testing and all that fun stuff that's just coming into the development portion of this. But if you do like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't be afraid to leave comments. Tell me what you think of this. Tell me if there's anything, if you think it's a good idea or not. Let me know in the comment section. If you think it's stupid, go ahead. I don't care. But yeah, leave a comment. Smash the like button. Don't forget to share on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Snapchat, whatever you got. And yeah, we will see you in the next video. Alright? Stay humble. God bless. Adios.